Hi, I'm Ryan, and today we're building a computer. The case that was chosen was the Lee & Lee LandCool 2 Born to Perform. And I'll be adding to the case the Touch Aqua 120mm RGB fans. Now, let's take a look inside. For the motherboard, we chose the Asus ROG Strix X570E gaming motherboard. Some neat features of this motherboard include its Wi-Fi 6 capabilities and also 2.5 GHz LAN connection. There are two M.2 slots with heatsinks. It supports 128 GB of DDR4 memory. It has two PCIe slots. We chose the Seasonic 80 Plus Platinum 750 watt power supply. This is the Ryzen 9 3900X. It's a 12 core processor with 24 threads. This is the Samsung 970 EVA 1TB M.2 SSD. This is the G.Skill Trident Z RGB 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and we'll be using 2, so that's 32GB. For the video card, we chose the Radeon 5700 XT. It has 8GB of GDDR6 RAM, and it's overclockable. So far we've installed the CPU cooler, the 32GB of RAM, and the M.2 SSD. And here's the final product, and everything is working great so far.